Hey guys, it's us. You're probably wondering who we are, right? My name is Richard.
I'm Jaelyn.
And welcome to our vlog.
What's up, guys? So right now we're just getting gas. But this is gonna be kind of our intro slash vlog video. I feel like a lot of people do intro videos, but we're not gonna do the old fashioned. We're just gonna do a vlog and introduce ourselves, introduce our friends, do a little hangout. I need to learn how to stop looking at the screen and look at the camera. Don't look at that. Look at this.
The gas tank.
Also, I should be passenger princess passenger, but Richard wants to vlog and I'm fine with driving because I know we're gonna get there. So let's go.
So guys, I know we're fairly a new channel. Well, were you scared, babe, when we started this? Like yesterday when we uploaded when we did everything, like did the YouTube account.
No, I just feel like it's
videos.
just gonna be awkward a couple of videos.
I know.
Feel like it's just always been like that. It's a relationship.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of scared. Not scared, but like kind of intimidated. Because that's such a huge step to do. You know? Do you agree?
It is. It's a commitment.
Yes, it is. And just having the courage to start. I think that's the most important first step that any person could do, not just in YouTube but in all aspects of life, right?
Yeah. A few moments later.
Jaelyn's just grabbing our biko. That's what biko is a Filipino rice pudding. That's what we brought for
And
our
he didn't even help me.
mini potluck.
Struggling? Go.
Hi, John.
Hello.
How's it going?
Your house is nice.
It's tiny, but
Okay lang, Pops.
thank you.
Alright, so we're about to grill right now. I'm with John. That's our chef.
Ano yan eh?
Been my chef for what? How many years, bro? We've been friends for 10 fucking years.
More than 10 years, dude.
More than 10 years. He's been doing this for us for 10 years.
10 years.
He's our go-to.
Yun.
And this is the two macho guys. John and Carlos. Say hi, Carlos.
The best looking guy Richard's ever been friends with. Yo, come on
That's
now.
right. This is John, man. We've been friends with him for 10 years too. Everybody up in here, bro.
More than 10 years, dude.
More than 10 years. Alright guys, so that was a wrap. Thank you guys for joining us. We had a good time.
I hope you guys had just as much fun.
Yeah. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had fun.
Yeah.
I'm
me too.
tired.
It's nice to see some friends around, you know? But yes, thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button and stay tuned for more. Thank you.